To connect to your pedal commander, be sure to have your Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Then proceed to go ahead and click on the pedal commander app. You'll get a legal disclaimer. Go ahead and read through it and hit that you agree. It'll try to connect. Also be sure to make sure that you have your locations and services enabled for the application. You will then go ahead and go to your menu tab, go to Connections, and then click on Add a New Device. It will scan for the pedal commander. Go ahead and click on that, and then you can go ahead and proceed entering in your 6-digit code located on the back of your unit. When it has connected, you can go ahead and enter in a name for your device and then hit save. Once you have successfully connected to your pedal commander, you'll be located back to the screen to where you can change the modes and settings on your unit. And you're all set.